Hi, I'm Martha Warrener, a California bankruptcy lawyer with over 40 years experience. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Bankruptcy Basics. Today I'm talking about the real-world impacts of filing bankruptcy on your credit and on your ability to rent an apartment, buy a house, or get a new car. The reality check. Look, filing for bankruptcy has amazing benefits. It can discharge your debts and give you a fresh start. But let's be honest about the downsides too. Filing bankruptcy will negatively impact your credit rating and your ability to get new credit. Your credit score will drop immediately after you file. But here's the good news, it won't stay down forever. Everyday challenges. In our current economy, having damaged credit can make everyday things tricky, like booking a hotel or renting a car. But there are usually workarounds for these problems. However, there are bigger challenges that don't have easy solutions. Housing challenges. Renting. If you're a renter who might need to move, here's my advice. Find new rental housing before you file bankruptcy. Why? Most landlords pull credit reports. When they see your bankruptcy filing, some won't care, but most corporate landlords will say no. Your best bet? Look for mom and pop landlords, individuals who only own a few rental properties. You're much more likely to get a face-to-face meeting where they can assess your character, not just your credit score. And you usually won't qualify for a mortgage for at least 2 years after your bankruptcy filing. So home buying is probably something that's off the table for at least that long. Car buying. Here's something that might surprise you. It's actually pretty easy to get a car loan after you filed bankruptcy. But there are caveats. The interest rate may be higher, you might need a larger down payment, and if you're trading in a car you still owe money on, the dealer will roll that debt into your new loan, potentially making payments unaffordable. When you think about it, these differences are pretty logical. Corporate landlords have no opportunity to meet you or personally assess your character. Plus, evictions are expensive and time-consuming. Why risk it when they can just rent to someone else? Individual landlords are much more likely to give you that face-to-face meeting. Home loan restrictions are regulatory requirements, not discretionary decisions. Car dealers actually see you as a pretty good risk. Why? You just wiped out all of your other debts and you can't file bankruptcy for another 8 years. Plus that car they just sold you, that's their collateral. After filing bankruptcy, start living on a cash basis. Your credit card accounts will be closed, but you can still use debit cards, Venmo or Zelle, and good old-fashioned cash. And when you're ready to rebuild credit, maybe for travel expenses, start with a secured credit card. It's like a savings account where you deposit money and that's your credit limit. You can charge up to that limit. Eventually, the company will probably offer you a regular credit card with a small limit, and they'll increase that over time. So here's my tip for the day. Live on a budget and only use credit card for emergency or large expenses you can't pay cash for. Pay the balance off each month and start saving for those unexpected one-time expenses. For answers to more questions, check out my YouTube channel. Remember, this video is for educational purposes only and doesn't constitute legal advice. Every situation is unique, so please consult with a qualified bankruptcy attorney in your area for advice specific to your circumstances. If you live in California and you'd like to schedule a free half-hour consultation with me, you can call me at 760-409-7705 or email me at martha@bankruptcysage.com. And if this video helped explain some of your options when it comes to credit, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips on bankruptcy basics. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.